I'm going to show you how to make hand sanitizer with just 3 simple ingredients. Isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol that is 99% proof, aloe vera gel, and some kind of essential oil, tea tree oil, lavender oil, or even lemon juice, which I am going to use. So you take 3/4 cup of the alcohol. There we go. Pour that here. And you take 1/4 cup of the aloe vera gel. It's very thick. Now, aloe vera gel is great because it helps to keep your hands moist. Plus, it counteracts the harshness of the alcohol. Mix this into a bowl. Then you take a little of that essential oil or lemon juice. Get all that good aloe out of there. Mix this up a little. And then you're going to whisk it so it becomes thicker with a whisk. Now, really effective hand sanitizer or germ busting ingredients like this requires that you use a 2-to-1 proportion of the alcohol to the aloe vera. That gives you about a 60% alcohol content. The CDC says that that's the minimum amount needed to really fight off all those germs. You keep whisking till it gets a little thicker. You pour this back into a container that has a spout. And then from here, you pour it into another container so that you can take this container with you. And there you have it, your own hand sanitizer. Stay healthy and be safe.